invest in human resource like anything, more than in infrastructure, because finally we strongly believe, and Honorable CM is also very keen to give such type of training to entire academic fraternity, right from pre-primary level to higher education level.
I'm Anita Aguravadekar from Sri Shantadurga Higher Secondary School, Bijolem. I got an opportunity to visit Mohali for the workshop which was conducted, the academic leadership program which was conducted for the principals, and it was a very rich experience. And it did not stop at the 4 days of the experience that we had there. It also continued back in Goa. We had to have an assignment. We were supposed to prepare a project for our schools, and for the presentations for those projects were given here. We really enjoyed doing it, and since when we heard this, when we saw these presentations of others, we also got, it was not only our project, but we also got an insight into what others were doing, and we are going back with a very rich experience. We are really looking forward to more of such experiences. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Fatima Mulla, the principal of MEF's High Secondary School, Ponda. We had a workshop which was organized by GSCRT Goa and in collaboration with the ISB Mohali. This workshop was just not an event, it was a really learning experience where we were enriched with the knowledge. We got to know so many things. This workshop, it was a continuity of it was a continuation wherein we learnt during our workshop in Mohali, as well as it continued till here. We presented our projects, and yesterday we have presented our projects, and each one of us, we were 34 of us, and each one of us have presented their projects. All were very good, and the insights also were good. Today we completed this entire projects, and the certification was done today. So we have learnt a lot. Yeah, thank you.
I, Shri Vittal Parsekar, Principal of Dr. Ambedkar High Secondary School, Kolwale, Bardesh, Goa. I am very happy that I got the opportunity to attend the academic leadership program at Mohali from 26th January to 30th January. It was a great privilege, I can think that in my life, because we have learned a lot of new innovative ideas, innovative practices, and we could inculcate the good project, because after attending the training, this is the first time happening, they had given the project, and that we could do the development in our institution with the help of this project. So I feel it is a great honor to us. It was an online session, then the 4 days continuous session, and again these 2 days, and the project was review, and this was the first time happened, and it was really lucky. So I am very much grateful to the SCRT director, Meghna ma'am, secretary Prasad Lolekar sir, and the government and all the faculties from the ISB. So it's a privilege, it is a honor to me to attend this session. So once again, I am very much, and I will see that whatever I have learned, that will be implemented in my institution. Also, I try to develop, to make good practices, and also help my principal colleagues to inculcate, to implement this what we have learned in the education for the cause of the good student. And since we are implementing NEP, it is the first state who have taken the initiative. So we must thank our Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant sir, who have taken this initiative, and he is training the mankind, because first training is essential, then providing the other facilities. So really, I am very much grateful and thankful. Thank you to the Goa government and SCRT. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ratna Sardesai from People's High Secondary School, Panjim. I was one of the fortunate participants in the academic leadership program, which was held in 3 different phases. The first one was online. The second one was in Mohali for 3 days, where we were given exposure by the best of faculties to a vision in the field of education. We were assigned projects and we were given time to work on it. And yesterday and today were the 2 days here in Goa, where we were supposed to present our projects, and they will be implemented very soon in our own higher secondaries. It was a great opportunity where we got to learn from the best of faculties with a positive and futuristic trend that will be in the field of education. We look forward to such opportunities in the near future. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening. Myself Savita Ramesh Tawadkar, Shri Balram Residential Science High Secondary School, Amone Poing in Kangun, Goa. Angasun. From here, I have represented for the academic leadership program at ISB Mohali. We got the opportunity given by the government of Goa and SCRT Goa that we got this training, and it was a different training. It has enhanced our overall development, and I'm very much thankful to the government of Goa, our Chief Minister, Education Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, for organizing this. It was not just a tour, but it was a practical. We have learned many things, many good resources. Resource person was very resourceful, and overall arrangement was very good. It has enhanced our knowledge, and we are more like got this opportunity. I'm thankful because of this, and we are practically going to implement this in our institution. So I'm very thankful once again. That's all.
Yes, I'm Dr. Selena D'Souza, the principal of Spring Valley Higher Secondary School, Pilen, Porvorim. I'm very grateful to the government of Goa, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Pramod Sawant, Education Minister, the Secretary of Education Shri Loilekar, the Director of SCRT Mrs. Meghna, and the entire team of SCRT for giving us principals this opportunity to attend this leadership program at ISB Mohali. It was indeed a wonderful learning experience in which we like-minded educationists met together under one roof and looked at various objectives in which we would enhance the education system in Goa. Furthermore, I would like to say that such trainings, such leadership programs for the educational heads of Goa will definitely take our education system to great heights. With a grateful heart, once again, I wish the Department of Education, the SCRT, in the implementation of the NEP 2020, all the best and good luck. Thank you.
Hello, myself Ujwala Vaipatekar, headmaster from Government High School Kundai. As far as this seminar is concerned, we had 5 days in Mohali, and continuation to this, the ending party which has taken place right now, 2 days in Goa. Speaking about this program was really very enriching, impactful and needed at this point of time. And as far as my concern is there, I'm really going to implement all those things what I have learned from all other headmasters as principals from government and higher principal from higher secondary education in my school life, and to the keeping in mind the student at the center and for their betterment and lifting their and boosting their morale so as to align our teaching with the NEP 2020. Thank you.